So I'm doing a simple ultrasonic experiment again. This guy right here is transmitting basically a wave pattern over to this guy right here. I have it showing on the back of the oscilloscope right here. So this is the incoming on-off key waveform. So if I zoom in, you can see what I'm doing is I'm supplying a semi-square wave to this guy at the carrier frequency, which is the center frequency. Well, it's 40.3 kilohertz is the frequency of this signal. But what I'm doing here is this guy can only take so many, only 16,000 points of information when you program him. Oh, ignore this. This is the repetition of the whole pattern frequency. So what happens is, if you zoom out a little bit, basically this guy is hit with that pattern, and this guy acts as a very nice bandpass filter. And on this end, what we get, let me zoom out in time. Okay, now here's my circuit. Okay, so the first output would be here. So if you notice, my first output is pretty tiny. But if you notice, basically what I'm getting is getting sinusoidal waves. So this is a 1, 1, so 1, 0, 1, a whole bunch of zeros, a couple of ones. So basically I'm getting that pattern right here. So the very first thing I do is I feed it through a buffer. That buffer's been nulled here. Then I feed it through a high-pass filter to get rid of the like 60 hertz noise and stuff like that. And then I feed it through a, hold on, let me plug this up. Okay. So this is my high-pass filter. Then I feed it actually just through a buffer, and that buffer is driving a diode. And on the outload, basically the output of that diode is a RC circuit. And so actually what's happening on that RC circuit is I'm smoothing out the signal. So as you can see right here, this bit corresponds to this part of the wave here. So basically this is acting as a half wave rectifier being dumped onto an RC load. And then that is a low pass filter, and so I'm getting a smoothing out of this signal right here. And so then that signal gets passed over to this guy, which is, all these circuits here are run at plus and minus 15 volts. This is two inverters that are run at 3 volts. Well, technically they're two NOR gates that I'm using. And you get this output signal. So if you look right here, oops, I gotta quit putting my arm in the way of the path. What you'll notice is this bit 1 corresponds to this bit 1. I've got to get out of the way. I'm doing it at about 1 meter distance right now. So this first bit goes to that bit, this bit goes to that bit. You'll notice the 0 here, and I'll have to do some more testing later. But it's kind of working. So I'll put my hand in front of it, and we'll watch the signal. So no, wait, now it's all jittery. What did I do? It was very clean earlier. Okay, I gotta toy around with it. But that's with my hand in front of it, no signal. That's without my hand on it, which for some reason is really, really jittery. Okay, wait. What did I do? Okay, I have to mess around with my circuit, figure out what I did. Because it was very, very clean at the start of this video. But anyways, my hand's in the way, my hand's not in the way. Okay, there's my video.